The new KESSEL Aqualift S Compact is a grey water lifting station designed for installation in the floor slab. The Aqualift S body can handle the forces of groundwater and is ideal for installation in waterproof concrete. It is capable of pumping grey water from washing machines, showers and sinks, which can easily be connected via the integrated inlet. With pumps available from 500 watt to 1200 watt, models with single or twin pumps, float switch controlled, or the high-end Tronic air pressure version, the Aqualift S Compact meets any requirement. The new 500 watt pump, GTF 500 resistant, handles saline wastewater, drainage from water softening systems, as well as the acidic condensate from heating units. The suspended floating pump prevents the transfer of sound and vibration and compensates for any settlement in the floor. A special feature is the convertibility of the Aqualift S Compact. Even after installation, it can be quickly retrofitted from single to twin pumps, or if more flow is required, from a 500 watt to a 1200 watt system. For a high-end finished look, the Aqualift S is available with a black or recessed tileable cover, offering an almost invisible solution to any design concept. The integrated drain in the cover handles any surface water and can be a lifesaver in the event of a pipe burst. The Aqualift S is delivered plug-in ready, meaning no expensive electrician is required for installation. The vertically adjustable upper section allows easy adjustment to floor levels, while the click pressure pipe connection, as well as inlet drainage pipes, can be connected without tools. The pump can also easily be removed by hand using the one-handed closure lever. Again, no tools required.